But before that, all-out political war over the centre's move to recall 3 IPS officers in charge of BJP Chief JP Nadda's security during the convoy attack. Now, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has launched a scathing attack on the centre. The MHA there, Ministry of Home Affairs, sends out a second letter to West Bengal government asking for the 3 IPS officials to be relieved immediately. Mamata claims that the move is a blatant misuse of emergency provision of IPS cadre rule. Taking to Twitter, she stated that she won't allow centre's brazen attempt to control the state machinery. In fact, the 3 of these IPS officers were responsible for the security of BJP Chief Nadda when his convoy was attacked on the 10th of December. Here you have Manogya joining us for more details on that. Manogya, the war over the 3 IPS officers to be released still continues, while the centre questions why those IPS officers who have been removed have not yet been released for central deployment. Here, the state government, Mamata Banerjee, says she's not going to allow such a brazen act of overruling the state leadership and having the centre have its way here. Take us through the details.
It's not for the first time that Mamata Banerjee has raised an issue with the centre and has continued to do so till the end. It is almost fighting tooth and nail. But there are instances where the rule book also has to be followed at certain level in certain ways. This is where the deputation comes in foray, where the central government has complete authority of asking IPS officers to be sent on deputation from a state. The concurrence clearly says that the state they can ask the state on what would be the next plan of action, whether they release them or not. However, if it comes as an order further according to the rule book, then the IPS officers will have to be either sent on these posting or action can be initiated against them. So understanding that the centre versus state is not for the first time, this might also lead to what entails in the future of these 3 IPS officers, Praveen Tripathi, Rajiv Mishra and Bholanath Pandey. All 3 of them considered to be close lieutenants and of course trusted lieutenants of the present regime. Understanding that in the past, because the postings that they've got are considered to be some of the best positions in the state of West Bengal, that's what they've been enjoying in present times also. And it also remains to be seen on the lapses that were there in JP Nadda, the BJP president's rally, and of course his address in South Bengal in Diamond Harbour, the parliamentary constituency of Abhishek Banerjee, where there were attacks on his convoy. Thankfully, it was JP Nadda's bulletproof car. However, it left the entire attacks and clashes left several BJP leaders injured. Now, this has been taken up seriously and that's why the action initiated against these IPS officers. So, the centre versus state too is expected to continue now.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.